British Columbia is a seismically active province, and the coastal areas of BC are at most risk for tsunamis. They are most often caused by huge undersea earthquakes and other sources like volcanic eruptions and landslides.
A great time to learn about this hazard and get prepared is during Tsunami Preparedness Week, which is in April every year.
Check to see if your coastal community is hosting a high ground hike during Tsunami Preparedness Week. This is an opportunity to come together and practice getting to a tsunami-safe area.
It may take hours for tsunami waves to reach the shore if an earthquake happens far away, but strong earthquakes near land could generate a tsunami that arrives in just minutes.
If you're at the coast and feel an earthquake, drop, cover, hold on. Then move to high ground immediately once the shaking stops. The shaking is your warning a tsunami might be coming.
You should also move to high ground right away if you receive an alert or notice a natural warning sign, like a sudden rise or fall of the ocean, or hear a loud roaring noise from the ocean.
Move to high ground along designated evacuation routes and follow the directions of local officials.
Once at high ground, stay there. Tsunami waves can last several hours, and the first wave is not always the largest. Wait for an all clear from local officials before assuming the event is over.
BC's coast is divided into 5 tsunami notification zones: A, B, C, D, and E. If you live in or are visiting a coastal community, it is important to know your zone, as it will help you to understand what to do if a tsunami warning, advisory, or watch is issued.
Many natural hazards, like tsunamis, can happen at any time of year, so it is important to be prepared with your emergency plans, grab-and-go bags, and emergency kits. Be sure to practice your plan with everyone in your home or everyone you are traveling with.
To learn more about BC tsunami notification zones, types of tsunami alerts, and to find preparedness guides and other useful resources, visit preparebc.ca. And be sure to follow Prepare BC on Facebook and Twitter for more preparedness tips and resources.